woto nimbi musona la fano ay nyim ben sifa ko mandi moli e dankwala Youssou Ndour e dankwala nda fawen dankwala Jaliba e dankwala Gambia dingol e dankwala ST e dankwala woto bi musol ba kata kan ko kel ba kata kan
assalamu alaikum jiberlal hani bi doron kal kontong altonal kontong la nimboto to yodorong mbaye tandral dorong bimbe daming wolam koko ozonti and near yen narananjang Fatu Network minkata Fatu Camara, the organizer of Heroes Awards wole in Sijang bare alialo nyamen dorong abeta anata ka dokulal milialon ko kata denkil lalalti minikata jeneli solti minikata arti solti minikata mo kotongolti andi do la Gambia anen Gambia la bantala bi narako lesson bento yande ngaji be jimal la do ko senata jima atati nga kalam telefonang Youssou Ndour already afanan be janne andung afanan be na do ko kendo fanan kana ka denkilo la of course Jaliba Kuyateh fanan be tara la janne anen Gambian artist wol minikam do ko Jalimadi ST Brikama Boyo Nyancho and many others ibe be tara la janne woto hani bi ron kayda ndala dorong albaji be rola dami wolum VM International TV ata VM International TV aka kibaro la natal ye kibaro mi alon ko albaje live utom bafula momo e be njibe kan dawda alkana nyina nyimum Fatu Camara la programme wolti atala kata moti mi alon ko atale nyi organize andum bafula li alkana nyina dukara ala kata alien subscribe on VM International TV on YouTube of course alkana nyina fanang aliatra alien subscribe because ku jama bekara na laliye janne live on VM International TV.
Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.
Presenting Alhagie Mohamed afan natal pour que Fatu support kaydande mollako Gambia jang nga hero sotole Alhagie Mohamed folo ni mole ñoo ko do VM International TV bara ngan ko tonya keso etele ba akko ko ma Fatu Network bud man fe fanam ba awor sotola janne foyta sotola malon bar ngan ko aw kumala le fanen ni mole ñoo ko do VM International TV
walam tonya de VM ngal tentu ngal je yalla do ko nyamala banko kan albe do ko kendola alama ala aljo kan bimma beta janna ala nin kila kan
okay Alhagie bi yemna so do mole e be min from mole because ni janjibe jamba farne tap anda be mole de mole mi alon ko mo kulu malam bi fa nem na so be min from mole mi alon ko be jibe ka VM International TV
nka mem fondala birindende women empowerment na nka mem fondala birindende ngalon saimba realize kan ka fa men na women empowerment because nyem membe nyin koma musolom wolom Fatu Camara woto nimbi musona la fano ay nyim ben sifa ko mandi moli e dankwala Youssou Ndour e dankwala nda fawen dankwala Jaliba e dankwala Gambia dingol e dankwala ST e dankwala woto bi musol ba kata kan ko kel ba kata kan nyame o fanna da manambe Fatu tentulo fanna la folo dango membe jambi ben chakante Heroes Awards wolom nyinti ko na ngaral nge tolo nge nganyandi na foy ko alnimbara la do ku kendola 100% nyum event o nyanta kala wolti but 2021 amankeno because of nyin corona wala ne e ka vo awards ni 2021 because menkera 2021 mbolle e fenke kan tentu kanke ake tentu ke jani
so saying different thing ko musul sembento yandela andita mun kelti afo moli ni ko ka musul sembento yandi way min mu mira la ditela because diaji be Gambia ni ko dole women empowerment wol kam na ku dolti wol ka ko no wote ken wala kelen nan tara ko be nyaato so ite as Alhagie Mohamed different bi ina da musul ben wala ni ko musul ben wala keni musul be la ko wala bare ite ya je nyaadi le
ndade nga ku kendo ko la fasa ke mu ba musumu ba ni me ku kendo ken ko la fasa andum Fatu la nyimo ku kendolti na la kafo mol yeddo ku nyimake so fonsi findinam even if I was not to perform as a comedian, I would have come to grace the occasion.
Okay.
But now own ticket sandal nonganana. But I am also lucky to be the only comedian tonight who has been selected to perform, or has been chosen to perform here tonight. So what history will remember me for that.
Beautiful audience out there, just to remind you, it's all about the Heroes Awards organized by Fatu Camara, and we are all aware that it's important to show love, to appreciate the good work that our heroes are doing. Anyone can become a hero if only you work towards it. And we believe that today or tonight is very special, simply because we have so many people that are here that came to observe this occasion. And we have people like Youssou Ndour all the way from Senegal. He will be here to witness the show. Of course, we're going to have Jaliba Kuyateh, the king of Kora in the Gambia. And it's like Youssou Ndour versus Jaliba Kuyateh. We're going to have ST Brikamo Boyo. We're going to have different people, Nyancho, and many other artists that has been working. And then, of course, they will be awarded with the award. So nevertheless, be with me, because I'm going to be your host here on the VM International TV. Though we have Haruna that will be anchoring everything on stage. So nevertheless, I will be here to have a little bit interview with some of the people that came to actually witness this occasion. On that note, I wish you all the best, and I wish Fatu and everyone that is present here at this very time. Be with me. I will show you the most amazing part of the work that is happening here at Coco Ozone.
VM International, yeah.
Please don't forget to subscribe, like,
VM International.
Ala follow de wobite on ndingoñing VM so wato tijede alal bulu kondi ngodi kijal ka follow wo wuleri ndingoñing al wodi kidal ka follow
Nim VM International, yeah.
VM so mbali fe kanolela VM so mbali fe udalolela VM so alnana njani mbisala wala kano fangole duntanna nyienju so tumbu VM so mbali fe kanolela muna VM mbefe udalolela apachaki ala follow de wobite on ndingoñing VM so wato tijede alal bulu kondi ngodi kijal ka follow wo wuleri ndingoñing al wodi kidal ka follow de VM so Nyancho bije, D-Jobs bije, VM bije, Dimbar.